Nnamdi Kanu's motion transferred to CJ for reassignment. Justice Sulaiman of the Federal High Court, FHC, in Abuja, on Monday, sent back to the Chief Judge, CJ, a motion filed by Nnamdi Kanu, leader of the proscribed indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, for reassignment. The news agency of Nigeria, NAN, reports that Kanu, in the motion expert, is seeking an order of the court transferring him to Abuja National Hospital for urgent medical attention. Justice Lyman, in a short ruling, made the order transferring the case file back to the CJ, following an application by Kanu's counsel, Uchenna Njoku, SAN, considering the fact that the annual vacation of the court would be ending today. The Department of State Services, DSS's lawyer, Chief Adegboyega Awomalo, SAN, did not oppose Uchenna's application. Earlier upon resumed hearing in the case, the judge hinted that there was no time anymore for the vacation court to decide Kanu's motion. He said not less than 30 cases were listed for the day's proceedings by the registrar, and since the court would be unable to take all, the cases were pruned down to 6. The judge said in line with Section 46(8) of the FHC rules, any case that could not be completed within vacation period would have to be sent back to the CJ for reassignment. He said though Kanu's motion was an urgent one in view of the health ground, it was filed lately. Responding, Awomalo said in case management, the court had the overriding decision on which case to go on and which is not to go on. Your lordship cannot perform any magic, he said. Njoku said the application dated September 1st, was filed same date. Awomalo said it was unfortunate that the matter was coming up rather late. Had it been that they filed the application earlier, it would have been taken during vacation. But we are ready to take the motion anytime, any day, he said. Justice Lyman consequently ordered that the case file be referred by to the registry for reassignment. NAN had, earlier, reported that Justice Lyman had fixed today for the hearing of Kanu's application. The judge had granted the motion expert, praying for the permission of the court to hear the application during the vacation period in view of its urgency. He then ordered Kanu's lawyer to serve all the processes and the hearing notice on the DSS in order for the security agency to respond appropriately. Kanu, in the expert motion with charge number FHC/ABJ/CR/383/2015, had sought a relief. Kanu, in the motion filed by Chief Kanu Agabi, SAN, sought an order granting leave for the applicant's motion dated September 1, 2025 to be heard before the vacation judge. Giving an 11-ground argument why their request should be granted, Agabi said Kanu is presently standing trial before Justice James Omotosho in charge marked FHC/ABJ/CR/383/2015. He said Kanu, on May 19, filed an application praying the court to admit him to bail pending the hearing and determination of the terrorism charge. The lawyer, however, said that the said application could not be taken before the annual vacation of the court, hence his continued detention. According to him, while awaiting the resumption of the court activities, the applicant's health took a worrisome decline, necessitating the invitation of doctors for the purpose of carrying out a thorough and extensive examination on the applicant. The examination revealed issues to his health, including organs such as his pancreas and liver, as well as an emerging lump underneath his armpit and dangerously low levels of potassium. The doctors have recommended that he be moved to the National Hospital as an interim measure to afford him medical attention and forestall further decline. The applicant's health is seriously deteriorating considering the nature of his confinement, thereby making more pressing the need to bring this application and have same heard by a vacation judge, Agabi said. He alleged that a letter by the doctors to the Director General of the DSS, advising the transfer of Kanu, had gone without answer. NAN. Subscribe to Cassette TV on YouTube and Facebook.
We came to move application for the transfer of Nnamdi Kanu to National Hospital for proper medication, because we discovered that the medical personnel at the DSS are incompetent and they are not giving him proper medication and attention. So we applied, and because his condition is getting worse. He's lacking potassium in his body and they don't have any solution to it. His leg is being swollen up, because I went to see him today before coming to court. So, but incidentally, unfortunately, the prosecution, the federal government, through their lawyer, filed countered our motion by filing 37 paragraph affidavits opposing our application for him to be transferred to National Hospital for proper medication. So the judge said today is the last day of his sitting as a vacation court, because the vacation is going to end today. That is going to send the file, the motion to CJ for the CJ to reassign it to the substantive court who has been handling the matter, Honorable Justice James Omotosho. So all our efforts to let the judge at least make that consequential order. In fact, most of the times you don't even need a motion, formal motion. You can do it so much, but the judge refused. And the question we are asking is that why should the federal government object the application seeking the leave of the court to an order of the court for Nnamdi Kanu to be transferred to National Hospital for adequate medication? You don't want Nnamdi Kanu to die? Is it not a living that we face trial? So this particular issue is really giving us concern. Nnamdi Kanu is somebody that is facing trial, and somebody who is facing trial under Section 30 of the Constitution is presumed innocent under the law. So it's a very frustrating situation, and we continue to pray, we continue to believe that the necessary thing should be done. We are going to follow the file up and to ensure that the file is listened to the court who has been handling the matter, and see whether it can give us a date for that motion to be had before 10th. That is where we are, and that's the update I said let me just give you. So he said that I should greet you people, lovers of freedom and those who believe in justice. So I should greet you, and I also narrated your prayers and your greetings to him. Thanks, and God bless you.
The court is also entitled to change its mind as well, depending on the strength of the argument.
Thank you.
So we hope that they'll change their mind.
They are using it to do experiment against SSS.
Exactly. So there is no way we're going to allow that to happen. My rights must be respected.
It's important.
My right to fair hearing must be observed and obeyed.
Understand that.
They brought him to Kenya into this
That is
dog
key.
and
That's
allow
the
him to
main
talk
issue.
without his
You were
lawyer.
talking about your health condition. What exactly is wrong with you, sir?
I have
Health-wise?
congenital heart failure. Congestive heart failure is called. From the medication, you can tell. So they're basically trying to keep me alive. So that when they calculate that I'm about to give up, that my heart is about to pack up, they will now say go. So when I go outside, I will die outside. That's what they're trying to do.
The medications they've been giving to you, has it not been working?
It's not working. If it's working, why would I have all these lumps underneath my...
And he has written a petition to the Nigerian Medical Association where they brought one quack doctor, somebody who is not a doctor, to treat him.
To come and try and treat me.
But up to now, they have no...
They don't know what they're doing. And they know they don't know what they're doing. Or else, why would I have this?
As long as it remains in DSS custody, there won't be
There will be no trial.
So what is your application for the court?
Is seeking for a non-custodial arrangement by the court.
You said house arrest.
Exactly. I don't mind house arrest because I'll defeat them. In this court, I'll defeat the government of Nigeria. Yeah. The whole world will see it. Where is the treasonable felon? Where is it? All these years, journalists are shouting treasonable, treason. What is treason today? It's gone. It's somewhere this terrorism charge will go. I'm thinking of another capital offense that can charge me with. Maybe, I don't know, impregnating the wife of somebody. I don't know what other thing they're going to charge me.
Are you saying you are innocent of all these charges?
The federal government, they know I'm not guilty. My only guilt is that I'm fighting for my people. And I will fight for them.
Okay, sir, last
For
question.
justice and fairness and equity everywhere.
Last question. Has your family been able to...
Anybody using IPOB to commit crime is a criminal. It's not part of this family. Our family is based on 4 cardinal points. You must be without fear before your enemies. You must speak the truth always, even if it leads to your death. You must help the poor and those who cannot help themselves, and be of good character that God may love thee. That's who we are.
So what will be your words to those out there in the East who are killing in the name of IPOB?
That they are criminals. They are criminals. They are not part of this family. We are called a family for a reason. We've come to serve our people, not to enslave them. Anybody conducting any type of activity that contravenes the welfare of our people is a criminal and must be dealt with.
Thank you very much, sir.
Any form of violence or subversion in the name of Biafra is not part of this family. Our family is noble. It's called IPOB. It's all over the world.
So you condemn anything that has to do with killing?
In total, why would I kill?
And violence.
People have sacrificed my parents for them. Why would I want to kill any other person after that?
Anybody who's committing crime in the name of IPOB
is a criminal.